Hello everybody and welcome back. It is me, Crystal, and I am back with the second of the third installment of a 3-bathroom clean with me. Now, I have filmed this intro 4 times. As soon as I got started to clean the bathroom, my daughter came home from happy hour and she had picked me up some char grilled oysters from the oyster house. So I paused to eat my oysters. Soon as I finished eating the oysters, I was just about done finishing the oysters, my husband called and asked me to go pick up the car from the shop. He dropped it off yesterday so it could get looked at because the door won't lock, and it is the car that we're giving our son. So they called him back today and told him that because the car is a 97, it's a 97 Jetta Trek, that because it's a 97, they don't make the door locks anymore, or they're not going to order the parts. So he needed me to go pick up the car just when I was almost done eating and was ready to come down here. So I'm going to just say that I really don't feel like doing this right now. I really don't feel like cleaning the bathroom. It's just, you know, when you get your mindset to do something and then something gets in the way, it just messes it up. But anyway, 4th intro, whatever. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do what I can tonight. I can't even guarantee I'm going to do it all because I'm tired. I went to work today, and then I went to therapy, and I'm agitated because that lady put my legs and my calves and my feet through a workout, and she didn't even rub my feet afterwards. So I'm a little agitated. And this is the least thing I wanted to do anyway, but I have to do it. But anyway, here's the countertop that needs to be cleaned off. And this is what I'm going to start off doing. I'm going to start by clearing off all of this stuff and getting it, you know, cleared off so I could work with something. It's not too bad under the sink at all. I had wet the shower earlier so I could get it wet a little bit so that when I use the scrub thing that it's not, you know, it's a little bit damp. And this fool likes to lick the water out the shower. We don't know why, but that's him. But I'm going to do that. And the one thing I will say that makes it hard about cleaning the showers for all 3 bathrooms is that we do not have like the detachable shower head, and it makes it hard to clean the bathroom. So it's like I always got to have a cup. I usually clean our shower when I'm in there because it just makes more sense to clean it while I'm in there because the water's running and I can get to do what I need to do. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started by clearing all of this off. But before I do that, I need to put some music on or something. This has turned out to be quite the undertaking because I'm tired and my back is on fire. So this is not the best bathroom cleaning job, but I did clean the toilet off camera. I did clean the shower, but the shower is not as clean as I would like it to be. If I was smart, I would have brought all my stuff down and took a shower down here and cleaned it while I was in here. I also neglected to bring down the mop and bucket. So I'm gonna go old school and just get a wet rag and get this floor clean. I'm just gonna clean it on my hands and knees because that's where I'm at this point. And I'll throw a mop on it in a couple days. But right now I'm tired and I'm ready to be done. All right, everybody, here's the finished product of the bathroom. I put this rug down. I think I'm gonna go back to Home Goods and get the other one just so I could put it over there in front of the shower, but really nobody uses this bathroom anyway to shower anymore since my daughter did go back upstairs to her room. Got the towel here. They, in my opinion, hung the towel bar too low. Like I said in my previous video, I did see an espresso stand from Amazon, and I would like to also put that down here as well. Because as you can see from the shower caddy, it's really not good enough to stand up your products and stuff like that. So that's that. And over here, I just put the paper towel holder back. Added some hand soap, added a candle, added another wallflower. I cleaned off the countertops. I straightened up under the sink a little bit and then threw everything back under there so it's back messy again. But yes, this is it. There's no pictures hanging up yet. These walls are definitely a blank slate. I'm gonna say it again, I keep saying it, I'm very indecisive, and my husband wants this area to kind of be like his area and stuff like that. So, piece of hair, I can't get away from hair if I tried. I really can't. But yeah, so this is basically like my husband's man cave area, but we do come down here to watch TV and stuff like that. So I don't want to make it too man cave-ish, because it still is like a family area. But yeah, I definitely need to figure out what type of artwork pictures we're gonna put here. We still have to paint. We will have been here, I believe, 3 years in July. We still haven't painted. We've done a lot of things, but paint has not been one. But again, this is the bathroom. I cleaned the toilet off camera. You've seen the toilet get cleaned once, you've seen it get cleaned a million times. You don't need to see that. The sink is all clean, countertop. This is our small downstairs full bath. Again, there's the rug. I will be going back and getting another rug. But yep, this is the finished product. Thank you all for watching. I have one more bathroom to do, and that will be the master bathroom. I will probably do that on Friday. It's Good Friday and I'm off, and I still have to get some things together before my in-laws come for the weekend. Not sure if they're coming Saturday, not sure if they're coming just on Sunday, leaving Sunday, coming Sunday, leaving Monday. I'm not sure, but we have offered them our bedroom, so I have to actually clean that because it's kind of messy. So I do need to get that cleaned. And plus our new bed is getting delivered next month, so there's a lot of things I have to get done and taken out in the room. But again, here is our basement bath. Thank you all so much for watching the second installment of the 3 bathroom clean with me spring cleaning motivation.